Okay, so we have come to the class about slides, and just like we said in the theory class, there are 3 rules: contact with the foot, transfer the weight, and lead with upper body. And ladies always try to keep the connection with the foot. So the first slide we are going to do is just starting a little bit like Mensaida. 1. The second step, we place the foot, our right foot next to her right, transfer the weight. So we first have contact and then we transfer. Here we release, and for ladies, don't hang like a koala bear around the neck. So we start pretty close. 1, 2. From here we lead with upper body and follow with the foot. If you want, you can practice just going 1, 2. Place the foot, transfer the weight, and just lead to the side and back, side and back. And then, when you have this leading, then you start following with the foot. And for ladies, a little bit tension towards the foot of the guy to keep the connection. Of course, you need to find balance. So if the guy is pushing too much, you will lose the connection. Okay, so we try to keep the connection with the foot. I give tension towards her leg and she responds. 1, 2, 3. And she tries to keep the leg straight and connection with the foot all the way. If I would push too much, she would have to search for balance before trying to keep the connection. It's more important to find balance and not fall than keeping the connection. But we try to adapt to the leading, and 1, 2, 3. So find balance and try to keep the connection. Guys, you practice, you need to lead this not more than you can follow with the foot. So you cannot do a slide that is this big, because then you will have a very bad position for the next step. So try 1, 2, 3. Not too big, it's just for the eye, these slides. It's only illusion that we lead with the foot. 1, 2, 3. On 4, step back with your foot straight under your body and lead her forward. 4. So this way, I'm creating space for her to step forward. 4. And I just turn. 5, 6, 7. In this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so all in all, first step a little bit like Mensaida, so that you have space, don't stand with the connection with the foot here on 1, because then you will not be able to move. So you prepare, step a little bit to the side, connection with the foot, slide, turn, side, tap. Prepare, connection, transfer the weight, lead with upper body, step away, turn, side, and tap. That's the first slide we will do. The second slide we will do with the left foot. This is the right.
The right.
Yeah. We will do it with the left foot, this one, the other left. So, here we start stepping to the side. We turn. As you can see, I use my hand to turn. 1, 2. I step forward. 3. Place my foot on 3. So here I don't transfer weight. I just tap. She transfers back. On 4, slide. So from here, 1, 2, 3, slide. 1, 2, 3, slide. And just like in the previous slide, I need to prepare a little bit on 2 so that my right leg is not in her way when I want to do the slide. 1, 2. If I stand here, I would not be able to slide later. So I need to step a little bit more distant. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the first 4 steps. If we move on, we will lead her 1 more step back. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, I will lead her to take 1 more step back, and I will place my right foot next to her left. 5. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. I lead 1 more step. I move forward with my body, which gives her the impulse. 5. I place my foot, and 6. So here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And from the slide on 4, when we have connection with the foot, we need to, in the next step, we need to place the foot, but at the same time open up to be able to slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see I move at the same time as I step on 5. 6 and finish 7, 8, 1. Okay, important to remember, keep the connection with the foot in both of these slides. So both with the left and then with the right. 1, 2, 3. From 3 to 4. And then connect on 5 with the other foot and keep the connection to 6. And for the ladies, it's the same as we did previously. Exactly. You give a little bit tension back.
Yeah, because we don't want to lose the connection with the feet of the guy. So always have some pressure. So when you go 1, 2, 3. Keep the connection. Keep it there. Connection with the guy. And move.
We did 3 slides in 2 different sequences, and the rules are the same. We already talked about the rules. Important, really important to keep the connection all the way to make it look good. It's only visual, it's only an illusion that we're leading with the foot. If you want to make something for the eye, it has to look good. If you put a painting on the wall and it looks like shit, it doesn't make sense. So, remember, the first rule, if we don't have contact with the foot on 2, we will kick the foot when we want to do slide. The second, if we don't properly transfer the weight back, we cannot move the foot. And the third, if we try to lead with the foot, she's not transferring the weight and she's not stepping properly. So you need to follow these 3 rules to make good slides. And you make it look good when you keep the connection from the contact until you finish the slide. The third slide we are going to make is same but different. We're going to combine it with something we did previously. We're going to do the pivot. 1, 2, 3, pivot. And then when we turn, we're going to go directly into the slide. So from here, you see I step a little bit distant from her. And I have contact. I transfer the weight. I slide. So we do the pivot. 1, 2, 3, pivot, forward, contact, slide. 1, 2, 3, pivot, forward, contact, slide. 1, 2, 3, pivot, forward, contact, slide. When you start putting the different sequences together more, it will create a much more fluid dance. Instead of doing a sequence, finish, tap, tap, you will create much more flow in your dance, much more a nicer feeling. And of course you can play with the music the same way as we did before. 1, 2, you do pivot, slow, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can finish, you step away like we did previously, turn, side, tap. Or, for example, you go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, directly into mensaida, pivot, pivot, forward, and finish. So you put them together as a pivot, slide, pivot, for example. Or we do the other pivot, the second pivot we did, mensaida. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Contact, slide, turn. In the other direction, 1, 2, 4, contact, slide. So you can combine them in millions of ways. If we do this mensaida pivot, contact, slide, pivot, slide. There are a million possibilities, million combinations you can do. And anything more to say? Remember the rules as always. Keep the connection for the ladies. Guys, you contact first with the foot, transfer the weight, and lead with upper body. That's it.
Yes.
See you soon.